Hey, have you ever thought about how to keep yourself safe every single day without carrying anything bulky? Well, good news. There are some amazing self-defense gadgets out there. In this video, I'm going to show you 20 of the coolest everyday carry self-defense tools. That could actually save you in a tough spot. So, stick around. You're going to want to see this. Hero. Hey everyone, meet the Hero 2020, your ultimate pocket-sized self-defense weapon. Compact and non-lethal, it fits right in your purse or pocket, giving you powerful protection wherever you go. It shoots projectiles with PAVA, a trusted irritant used by police to stop threats instantly without deadly force. Perfect for home or personal security. Just point, shoot, and feel confident. If you want peace of mind without the bulk, the Hero 2020 is the way to go. BurnA SD. Hey guys, the popular BurnA HD series just got an upgrade. Meet the new BurnA SD. It's got a performance straight trigger, a comfy honeycomb grip, and sharper sights for faster aiming. Looks like a gun, acts like a gun, but it's totally non-lethal. Your perfect self-defense tool. No permits, no background checks, just peace of mind for anyone 18 and up. With a range up to 60 feet and projectiles flying at 300 feet per second, you can protect yourself safely from a distance. Ambidextrous safety switch means easy use for lefties and righties alike. Stay safe, defend without harm. That's the BurnA SD. The Defender. Introducing the Defender, the first smart personal protection system designed for security, anytime, anywhere. It's more than just a self-defense tool. It's your personal safety companion combining pepper spray, a loud alarm, flashing lights, and a built-in camera that instantly captures and sends an attacker's photo and your location to emergency responders. Plus, with the smartphone app, you get 24/7 monitoring and medical alerts at your fingertips. Just slide a button and help is on the way. Every Defender comes with 1 year of monitoring service included, so you're covered right from the start. Stay safe, smarter, and stronger with the Defender. Titainer, the Infiniti. Titanium folding fan, a masterpiece that perfectly blends sleek titanium strength with the beauty of nature. If you loved our previous titanium folding fans, get ready to be wowed by this latest creation. It combines our signature design with premium materials for a fan that's both stunning and built to perform. Inspired by the gentle flow of cascading water, its elegant lines bring a quiet luxury and a calming vibe, like high-end fashion for your hands. Experience the perfect mix of peace, power, and style with the Infiniti Titanium Folding Fan. Trailblazer Lifeguard. Meet the Lifeguard, a .22 LR single-shot handgun that folds down to about the size of a credit card. It's just half an inch thick and weighs only 7 ounces, crafted entirely from metal, steel barrel and trigger, and an aluminum frame. The design is sleek and clean, with a subtle logo, plus built-in storage for extra ammo right in the handle. Folding and unfolding is super simple. Just slide a latch and you're ready. Loading is old-school Derringer style. Just half cock, lift the barrel, and load your round. With only 19 parts, the Lifeguard proves that simplicity means reliability. Compact, powerful, and smart, the Lifeguard is innovation you can carry anywhere. SpyX infrared scanning. Camera detector. SpyX, your ultimate weapon against hidden cameras. Using a focused red light and a precision 60mm scale, SpyX cuts through the darkness to reveal even the sneakiest wireless cameras hiding in hotels, rentals, or fitting rooms. Traditional detectors can be slow or ineffective, but SpyX uses specially tuned red wavelengths and coated lenses to make hidden cameras light up and expose themselves instantly. It's faster, smarter, and way more accurate than infrared detectors. Take control of your privacy. Stay safe with SpyX. Tai Spinx. Hey everyone, ever struggled with a dull blade on a hike? Or just need something to fidget with on your commute? Meet Tai Spinx, A thumb-sized titanium powerhouse that's way more than just cool jewelry. This wearable multi-tool combines 3 essentials: built-in micro-sharpening stones to revive your blades anytime, a smooth, silent spinner to melt away stress, and a glowing tritium light to keep you visible in the dark. Lightweight and rugged, Tai Spinx slips easily into your everyday carry. Wear it as a pendant, a lanyard bead, or clip it to your gear. Vex Tai 12. Your new pocket-sized problem solver. Crafted from aerospace-grade titanium, this little beast is just over 8 centimeters long and weighs less than your car keys. But don't let its size fool you. It's packed with over a dozen tools ready to tackle everything from quick fixes to outdoor adventures. Lightweight, durable, and designed to go wherever life takes you, from office desks to mountain trails. If you want one tool that does it all, the Vex Tai 12 is your go-to. Grab yours and be ready for anything. Q1 V2. Meet the Q1 V2, not your ordinary magnetic connector. It combines powerful N52 magnets with a smart mechanical lock that snaps securely in place. No accidental drops, no lost gear. Just bring it close and it locks automatically. Need to release? A gentle pull is all it takes. Easy, one-handed, hassle-free. Crafted from premium grade 5 aerospace titanium, it's insanely strong, yet weighs just 7.6 grams. It holds up to 75 kilos safely. That's over 160 pounds, making it perfect for city life or rugged adventures. Small, sleek, and reliable, Q1 V2 keeps your everyday carry secure without the bulk. Tower Spin. Meet this one-of-a-kind EDC tool, totally original and crafted with a lot of heart by our team. It's not just a screwdriver or drill. It's also your new favorite fidget toy. Spin the silver wheel in the center and feel that smooth, satisfying feedback. Perfect for stress relief or keeping calm on the go. When it's time to work, just flip a switch and boom, you've got a reliable tool ready for any fix. This smart 2-in-1 design brings together fun and function like never before. Take a moment, check it out, and if you love it, we'd really appreciate your support and feedback. Let's chat. We're all ears. Fixboy. What's Fixboy? It's a screwdriver, a fidget toy, and a bit holder, all rolled into one sleek, compact tool. With 5 magnetic slots for your favorite bits, plus an optional eternal pen module, Fixboy is ready for anything. Need to get into tight spots? Just flip out the hidden extension rod for deep reach. Feeling fidgety? It's got 2 built-in fidget features to keep your fingers busy and focused. And when creativity strikes, slide in the pen module and start jotting ideas down instantly. No pauses, just flow. Crafted from premium aerospace-grade GR5 titanium, Fixboy is tough, lightweight, and built to last through every adventure. Fixboy, your all-in-one companion for fixing, creating, and fidgeting. Ultra Fan. Tired of cheap plastic fans snapping on you during a heat wave? Sick of warped bamboo fans ruining your look? Meet Ultra Fan, the grown-up fan built to handle real life. Weighing just 94 grams, this beast laughs off sweat, backpack crush, and even your panicked grip. Made with titanium and carbon fiber, UltraFan isn't just an upgrade, it's a total reinvention of the hand fan. Strong, sleek, and ready for anything. Your new everyday essential. EDC multifunctional tool. The Mini Wrench, a compact, key-sized multi-tool packed with 8 essential functions. It's got a pry bar, adjustable wrench, phone stand, screwdriver, bottle opener, window breaker, and even a caliper for measurements. The adjustable wrench features a smart sliding roller with CNC machined threads for a perfect grip every time. No slipping, no guesswork. Whether you're fixing things at home or adventuring outdoors, this little tool adapts fast and keeps your work smooth and efficient. Small size, big impact. Mini Wrench is the everyday carry you didn't know you needed. Peacut, the world's most compact package assassin that laughs at compromises. It's tiny, low profile, and fits right on your keychain. Smaller than a standard pill capsule, From Amazon boxes to bulletproof mailers, Peacut slices through your daily chaos with lightning-fast 0.8-second blade deployment. Built tough with CNC-milled titanium internals, it laughs at grit, sweat, and even Arctic freezes. Plus, it features 3 self-illuminating tritium slots, so you'll never lose your keys, even at midnight. Lock it, load it, and dominate every unboxing like a pro. GPCA Carabiner PRO-X Key. Check out the GPCA Carabiner PRO-X Key, your ultimate versatile EDC carabiner and key organizer. Built tough from high-grade aluminum or stainless steel, it's lightweight yet strong enough for camping, hiking, and everyday use. This multi-tool packs a bottle opener, box opener, pry tool, Phillips, and flathead screwdrivers, plus a sturdy key organizer, all in one compact design. Clip it to your belt, backpack, or gear loop, and have your essentials right where you need them. Perfect gift for adventurers, travelers, and anyone who loves practical, ready-to-go tools. SpyX S1, the SpyX S1 Boost, the EDC screwdriver that changes the game. Say goodbye to bulky, single-function tools. The S1 Boost packs 18 screwdriver bits in a compact, pocket-friendly design. Plus, it features a power-boosting lever that cranks up torque, making even the toughest screws easy to handle. Perfect for everything from electronics and appliances to DIY projects and vehicle repairs. Lightweight, versatile, and ready to go wherever you do, the SpyX S1 Boost is your new everyday hero. Titan Spin. Titan Spin, not just a tool set, but a revolution right in your pocket. It's built for gadget lovers, problem solvers, and adventure seekers who crave both function and fun. Feel that satisfying snap as the magnets lock together, and spin the sleek spinner. Perfect for focus, stress relief, or just pure enjoyment. Whether you're a tech guru, outdoor explorer, or everyday tinkerer, Titan Spin's precision design has your back. Compact, badass, and ready for anything. Titan Spin is your ultimate pocket companion. Titanium EDC 6-in-1. Meet the ultimate 6-in-1 adjustable wrench. Your versatile, all-in-one tool designed to make your toolbox lighter and your daily tasks easier. This wrench isn't just any tool. It features precision-engineered grooves at the opening that act like teeth, giving it incredible anti-slip grip. This means whether you're tightening or loosening bolts and nuts, you get a secure, stable hold every time, even in challenging environments. Adjusting the wrench is super simple. Just flick the roller to the left or right to open or close the jaws smoothly, adapting to the exact size you need. With a maximum opening of 16 millimeters, it covers over 90% of common nuts and bolts you'll encounter daily. What really stands out is its super long torque, which combines strength with efficiency, making even tough repairs feel effortless. Whether you're assembling furniture, fixing electrical issues, or tackling household maintenance, this wrench is your reliable assistant that helps you work smarter, faster, and safer. Upgrade your toolkit with this powerful multi-tool, because every project deserves the right tool. Tai Capsule the Tai Capsule, a sleek, titanium key-sized multi-tool designed to tackle your everyday tasks with style. This compact capsule holds 4 4mm screw bits securely in magnetic compartments, ready to transform into a practical screwdriver whenever you need it. It also features dual-sided grinding files, a handy pry bar head, and works with standard 1/4-inch bits for extra versatility. Optional tritium tubes light it up in the dark, blending function with a cool, modern look. Crafted with precision CNC machining and available in Bead Blast Gray or DLC Black finishes, Tai Capsule is durability and style in one small package. Upgrade your everyday carry. Make every task smoother with Tai Capsule.